Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn How. And in today's video I'm going to show you that how to solve this error whenever you play an MP4 in Kali Linux. So now you have to open your terminal first and type in the command apt install VLC. I think I have to type the sudo first, so sudo apt install VLC. So now the VLC is installed. Let's open this with VLC. Well, this video is still not playing because I'm recording, and I'm gonna play the first one. So as you can see, this video is playing right now. There isn't any kind of issue. So like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.